In this session, we are going to discuss few problems which have appeared in JEE Main, JEE Advanced in previous years, and these problems will be solved using the critical thinking process. This critical thinking process will covers the conceptual approach, and using the critical thinking process, we can achieve the correct answer in minimum possible time. It will help to score at the higher level in JEE Main and JEE Advanced paper. This question has appeared in JEE Advanced 2009 in mathematics paper, and this question from the chapter of sequence and series. Now we are going to discuss this problem, and we have to get the correct answer by critical thinking approach and by using the very simple concepts. First of all, go through the problem. If the sum of the first n terms of an AP is Cn square, then we have to get the sum of square of these n terms. What is the basic approach? We know that the sum up to first term of any sequence is itself the first term. Then the first term of the AP will be simply C by putting n equal to 1. Now we have to square this term. That means the square of this term is C square, and hence the sum of the square of these n terms will be equal to C square when n equal to 1. That means if you put n equal to 1 in this option, then the answer of this question must come out C square, and this condition is satisfied only by the option C, right? Correct option will be C.